everyone, it's me, Crystal. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome to the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium box for June. The artwork featured on this month's box shows some koi fish and is by Tylea Sparrow, also known as Arnheim. This month we got a bunch of color pencil supplies, and the featured artist is Cameron Tulare. As a self-taught artist based in the state of Washington, Tulare specializes in color pencil portraiture. Her technique of shading and layering bright colors gives her portraits of eccentric young women a prismatic yet soft effect. Her work explores concepts such as vulnerability, self-image, femininity, and the relationship between the demands of online presence versus individuality. The first piece of actual art supplies we got are Sir Derwent's ChromaFlow colored pencils. This is a 12 set. This custom curated set features vibrant and blendable colors. The smooth texture makes shading and blending colors easy for a rapid and smooth laydown. The retail price for this is normally $25. The paper I'm testing these on right now is not the paper that came in the box. I'm using a smoother paper, which is a marker pad paper. I did notice that some of them apply really nicely on here, and then some not so much. Seems to depend a lot on the color, which does happen with a couple of different colored pencil brands. It just depends on the pigment and what they use for it. Since this is a colored pencil box, we obviously got more colored pencils. We got some Holbein colored pencils in Juan Brilliant and Pink. These professional grade pencils feature a soft core that's ideal for blending, layering, and offering a smooth application. The retail price for these is $3.95 each. I prefer these to the Derwent ones. I feel that they are more pigmented and they apply more smoothly. The next piece of art supplies we have is some Holbein Melt Colored Pencil Blender. I think I've gotten this in a previous box before, and I am not really a huge fan. I much prefer just using a regular blender. As you can see, it kind of dilutes it a little bit too much for my taste. I did notice it worked a little bit better with the Holbein colored pencils than the Derwent ones. I tried using the blender on both pieces of paper that I previously used, which was, like I said, the marker paper, and then the paper that came in this box, which is basically just a watercolor paper. I think you'd be better off getting watercolor pencils or using odorless mineral spirits, or just blending the old-fashioned way like I'm doing right here. The brush we applied the Holbein Melts Colored Pencil Blender with is a Princeton Snap round brush in size 2. Perfect for watercolor. Use this brush to smooth and blend different colored pencils with the Melts Blender. Retail price is $3.40. The brush is nice. It seems like a good size. The final item that we got in this month's box is a SketchBox Signature Cold Press Pad. It is 4x6. Cotton and it's 15 sheets. This mixed media pad is great for both wet and dry mediums. The cold press texture of the paper is perfect for colored pencils, and it is $12.99. It is a rougher texture, so if you are just going to use dry colored pencils, you want to make sure that you use a lot of pigment and you keep layering and blending as you go. I'll definitely be doing a video using all of these materials later. I do want to let you guys know that Sketchbox is the only art box I'm getting now. I want to focus more on the art supplies I already have and share some stuff like the fun I have gaming on this channel. As always, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day or night to watch this video. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, please let me know all about them down below. And hopefully I'll be hearing from y'all soon. Bye! This is me fucking sober.